Hey there, and welcome to my second devlog. I'm currently developing a city building game where you play as a ruthless dictator. I've made significant progress and have taken my first steps in creating the winter. This includes the addition of a snow particle system, a snow trace shader, a new landscape type called ice, a new heating structure for ice, and an improved user interface. Now let's dive into the progress I've made so far. One of the new structures I've introduced is a water heater that operates on electricity and heats water within a specified radius. As always, I started with the modeling aspect. I imported the structure model into Unity, extracted the materials, assigned the appropriate textures, and created a script for the heating functionality. To develop a snow trace shader, I created a visual effect that generates a trail when structure is built. I added a separate camera that outputs a render texture, which I used to offset the vertices downward in the white areas of the texture. To simplify my life and avoid creating a scene for each level, I decided to create a script that stores the level index along with the corresponding weather conditions. Both warm and cold weathers will last for 36 levels, with each type lasting 18 levels. With these parameters, the script can determine the appropriate weather for any given level based on its index. I added another structure to the game, the generator building. When winter arrives, it becomes more challenging to obtain electricity, and the available power may not be sufficient for all the structures. To address this, I created the generator, which can store a large amount of electricity for an extended period. Great, here we go again. Back to modeling. However, I'm facing an issue during the creation process. My electric structures are automatically connecting to each other, allowing one structure to transfer electricity to another. To charge the generator, players need to connect a transmission line to it, and vice versa. Since these structures are connecting automatically, it can disrupt gameplay. To resolve this, I decided to implement a user interface that allows players to choose how to connect the structures. When you right-click on the cell containing the structure, a menu will appear on the screen allowing you to select an action. Currently, the only available option is Output. When you click on Output, you can choose another structure to which you want to connect. This system and user interface will need improvements. That's a wrap for this devlog. I really hope you enjoyed this sneak peek at the winter. This is just the start of our journey together. I have lots of exciting corrections, improvements and fresh ideas lined up to make it even better. If you liked the video, feel free to leave a like or comment. Your feedback means a lot, especially as I start this devlog journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.